India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
All the interests and all the roads tomorrow are going to lead here at the NCB office in Colaba, in fact, where Deepika Padukone, the top grossing actress of Bollywood, will be grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Questions will be posed to her in connection with the chats which have now surfaced, the WhatsApp chats which have surfaced, where she allegedly has been asking for contraband. Meanwhile, now, there are sensational disclosures ahead of Deepika Padukone's questioning. NCB sources have told India Today the WhatsApp group in which these drug chats were taking place. Deepika Padukone was, in fact, the admin of this group. She was the group admin, and her manager, Karishma, and Jaya Saha were the other participants. This as the NCB summoned the actor based on her WhatsApp chats with Karishma dating October 2017. Where the actor is allegedly seeking mal and specifically hash. India Today has also learnt that Deepika has agreed to join the investigation on Saturday. She was originally summoned today. India Today has also accessed a list of questions that Narcotics Control Bureau will be asking the actor. She will be asked if she ever consumed drugs, and if yes, then where is it that she got hold of these substances. Moreover, she will be asked about the drug chats with Karishma. She will have to explain that in front of the agency tomorrow. Let me now bring in my colleague Devesh, who is joining us with more details on this story. Devesh, today, of course, Rakulpreet Singh was questioned, but, the larger interest now is in Deepika Padukone, who will be coming here tomorrow. NCB making sensational disclosures through sources that she was, in fact, admin of a WhatsApp group in which drug chats were taking place.
Yeah, Ankit, this has come to light from the primary investigation being carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau regarding these drug chats where Deepika Padukone communicated with Karishma Prakash, who's the talent manager working with Quant Talent Management Agency, where she's asked her, mal hai kya? Then she clarifies she doesn't need weed, but she wants hashish. So this is a direct indication, direct evidence with the Narcotics Control Bureau, which points out that there was a communication regarding procurement of banned narcotic drugs, and based on which she has been summoned. Deepika has been summoned. Karishma Prakash right now being interrogated by the NCB officials. She's being asked regarding her source of drugs. Who was the person from whom she was sourcing these drugs? On how many occasions did she supply drugs to Deepika Padukone? Remember, this is going to be very crucial for NCB because tomorrow Deepika Padukone is going to be questioned, and whatever Karishma Prakash tells NCB based on that, she will be grilled. Deepika will be grilled by NCB officials if Karishma Prakash gives a disclosure. If she admits
Devesh, I was in fact coming to that itself because Karishma is going to be the crucial link and possibly is going to provide crucial information as far as questioning of Deepika Padukone is concerned. She has been here since morning and her questioning has also started. What I want to understand from you, Devesh, what kind of questions will be put as far as Deepika Padukone is concerned tomorrow? And also, if you could tell our viewers, because at this moment, she's not being treated as an accused. I mean, a Narcotics Control Bureau would only be looking at trying to find out more details before they can decide whether Deepika Padukone can be charged or not.
Ankit, you rightly pointed out that Karishma Prakash's statement is very crucial. She is right now being interrogated, being questioned by NCB officials, and all sort of details, all sorts of questions are being posed to Karishma, where she's being asked on how many occasions did Deepika consume drugs, or you helped her procure banned narcotic drugs like hashish. How many occasions have you supplied drugs to others other than Deepika Padukone? Who was your source for this banned drug? Who were the peddlers that you've been in touch with? Her phone will be scanned, electronic evidence will be collected, and based on that, further evidence could be gathered by the agency so that they could interrogate, they could quiz Deepika Padukone, who is set to appear before the agency tomorrow. this evidence that Karishma Prakash gives to NCB will be very
Okay.
crucial on the further course of action that will be decided by the NCB. Meanwhile, her statement is being recorded, and based on her statement, there will be interrogation
Right,
with
right.
Deepika Padukone.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.